Welcome back, learners. In the previous video, we talked about framing the competencies in an SLG. Let us now talk about the student work plan. As you can see, the student work plan in this case is sketched topic-wise. The first column of the plan mentions the competencies under focus and the learning outcomes related to the same. The second column of the work plan details the content of the syllabus pertaining to the competencies mentioned. A description of the activities to be carried out both inside and outside of the classroom to cover the content of the themes connected to the competencies, including the nature of the activities and resources for the same, is also stated in this plan. Activities outside the classroom may include various projects, peer learning activities, and discourse analysis. The next section of the plan includes the division of the total time given to the paper, which is 120 hours in this case. I have divided the time as 60 hours inside the classroom and 60 hours to be given outside the classroom by the students themselves. The time divided does not have to be equal inside and outside the class, and the distribution may vary depending upon the nature of the topic under focus. The completion and submission deadlines of the topics are mentioned in the last column. These deadlines are described in terms of number of classes taken by the teacher every week. This course has been framed according to the semester system of evaluation, and hence I designated 15 weeks for its completion. The third section of the SLG includes assessment and evaluation system. As you all can see, the weightage assigned to the generic and specific competencies is not equal, as generic competency 1 carries 20% weightage, generic competency 2 carries 15% weightage, specific competency 1 carries 25% weightage, specific competency 2 carries 20% weightage, and lastly, specific competency 3 carries 20% weightage. This table is a dynamic table and will vary from course to course. The details of the assessment techniques are described in the next table. Each competency is assessed through formative and summative assessment. For example, computer-based assessment is being used for generic competency 1. Conceptual maps are being used to assess generic competency 2. Review of literature and its presentation is one of the assessment methods for specific competency 1. Oral presentation is being used in specific competency 2, and group discussions in specific competency 3. The summative assessment techniques we are using for this course is paper pen test as per the university norms. So, this was one way in which student learning guides can be prepared. I hope it will help you design relevant student learning guides for your courses as well. Thank you. Happy learning.